Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 12th of April. And first of all, national news. SBI refused to disclose electoral bonds. Detail under RTI Act. India ranked fourth globally as research hub after China, US, UK, a report said. Vistara CEO said worst is behind us, operations have stabilized. PM Modi wants to expand UPI services to US to help students tourists. Apple flagged mercenary spyware threats to users in 92 nations. India is one. In UP now, 6 years is minimum age for admission to class 1. BJP released manifesto for Sikkim promises protection of people's rights. NASA's sounding rocket mission during solar eclipse led by India-born researcher. Rajnath Singh on Thursday made an offer of assistance to Pakistan to combat terrorist activities. 3 IAS officers lavish Paris trip on public money exposed by Chandigarh audit report. Lindy Cameron appointed as new British High Commissioner to India. Khavda is the world's largest renewable energy park using a combination of solar and wind energy. Profuse misuse of social media, a matter of serious concern, Supreme Court. And now some international news. Russia launched Angara A5 space rocket at third attempt. Part of California's San Andreas faulted prime for major earthquake, a study said. The news of Elon Musk arriving in India brought cheer to millions of Tesla lovers in India. Simon Harris became Ireland's youngest ever Prime Minister at 37. Smartphones, social media, and a spike in mental health crisis among youth. Japanese astronaut to be first non-American to set foot on moon. Russian missiles destroyed major Kyiv power plant, damaged other facilities. Europe's largest volcano puffs perfect, smoke rings into sky. Israel on alert after Iranian threat as Mideast crisis deepens. Ukraine parliament passed bill to overhaul army mobilization laws. Russia on top of global cybercrime index. And now some sports news. Sanju Samson scripted history shattered Rohit Sharma's all-time IPL record. PV Sindhu, HS Prannoy exit as India's challenge ended in Badminton Asia Championships. Jasprit Bumrah wanted to move to Canada, would have tried for their national team. Jasprit Bumrah celebrated after dismissing Virat Kohli in IPL 2024. Business related news. India benefit from growing interest from multinationals, UN report. Anil Ambani suffered another setback. Group firm lost 8,000 crore arbitral award. Science related news. Children addicted to video games smartphones at risk of psychosis, a study said. NASA shared pics of mysterious surfboard orbiting the moon. Danuri is South Korea's first spacecraft on the moon. And that's all in news. Thank you.